In this video, I will be showing you how to import reviews from Aliexpress to Shopify. So let's get started. First, of course, you just have to simply log into your Shopify account and look at your products right here. Now, it's very important to add some reviews for your products because it somehow helps you create or attract more customers. Okay. If they notice that your product has this good reviews, obviously they will click or they will buy your products because of the good reviews. Now, to start, what you want to do is to simply go to this apps right here and then look for judge the product reviews. This is what it looks like. Now, if you can't see it right here, then you can go to the Shopify App Store, go to the search bar, and then there you need to type judge.me and then you will see options below. But what you want to do here is to click the very first one that will appear. So we have here different applications, but what I'm going to do now is to install this Judge.me product reviews and also this Judge.me AliExpress reviews. So first, let's install this Judge.me product review. So you have to tap this one and then it will take you directly to this page. All you need to do is to tap install, and then here you can read the instructions and then tap install here. And then after that, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds and you have to select that and where you want to install and then click startup. Okay. And wait for a couple of seconds and this is processing. So here you can see the Judge that reviews is already installed in your Shopify. Next is we're going to install this Judge.me AliExpress reviews. Tap install button and then you have to wait for a couple of seconds and then here you have to click install again. Okay, so after that, wait for a couple of seconds again and then after that you will see what it looks like. So this is what Judge.me AliExpress reviews looks like. Okay, and yes, all you have to do is simply tap this X if you don't want to upgrade and then click next. Okay. Now, after that, you have already, or you can now start importing, but let's go first to judge the reviews before we go on to this judge that me AliExpress. Okay, so judge that me reviews, we have different options and features below. So this is what it looks like. You can see reviews, dashboard, and so on. Okay, so I could tap this onboarding. So this is what we have added earlier, the language and where you want to install and then click start setup. Okay, now this one you can skip this. Okay, you can do that later on. Okay, so yes, apart from that, we have here manage reviews. Obviously, here you can manage all the reviews and all you have to do is to simply import and export reviews here. We have all reviews, product reviews, store reviews, and so on. So you can also track review requests here. Now collect reviews. Under collect reviews, you will see these features. Okay. And then you can do this more action here, schedule requests or track automatic review requests here. And then after that, we have here widgets. So different widgets. You can simply manage each widgets here for review widget, start rating badge, questions and answers. So if you want to change or modify something here under review widget, so all you have to do is to tap and then kind of select whatever you want here. If you want to learn more, tap learn more. Also, if you want to change something on star rating badge, tap manage, change the color if you want to. Okay, you can set any color here. And then display properties, always show the widget. Text, show stars only. So everything is up to you here. And then we have also here marketing and social and general settings. So do not forget to tap save so that it will be saved automatically. So for general settings here, you can see all settings where you can change the language, you can change your language, you can change your multi-language store, installation, everything is up to you. We have also here marketing and social. So all you have to do is to explore and then you can just select some of your options right here. Let's go back to Judge that me AliExpress. this is the most important thing. So here, as you can see, you can just import reviews from AliExpress. But first, let's look at the product that you wanted to ask for some reviews. So here, out of my products, I have my, okay, this one, streetwear. So I'm pretty sure that I can find it in this AliExpress because I got this picture and an information from AliExpress, yet I don't have the reviews of this product. So all I have to do is to copy this, go to AliExpress, and then paste the name of this product right here. And then AliExpress will show me some products that, of course, have the same title or name of this product. But let me look specifically with the right name. Okay, others are just related products. Okay, tap this one here. And if I scroll down, I can see tons of reviews here. Okay, so we have here, I think it's, yeah, 533 reviews, but I don't need all of it. I just need a few of this reviews. So going back, okay, so let me copy this URL here and then go back to my Shopify Judge That Me AliExpress reviews. Okay, and then now I can tap this import reviews from AliExpress. Here, paste the URL that we have copied earlier from AliExpress. Import to your Shopify product, yes. Okay, type your Shopify product. So you just have to type a few words, then it will appear. And then we have here number of reviews to, okay, import. Okay, let me do it again. Okay, so tap the product. Okay, so for number of reviews import, and then you can of course add as many as you can. Out of 500, you need 30. Everything is up to you. But for me, I just need 5 reviews. Okay, for the meantime. Country filters, then you can add those countries that you wanted to ask for a review. Okay, you can just select a few countries or you can select all. Minimum of words, so you can review or you can add reviews must have content or not, or reviews must have pictures. Everything is up to you. Minimum amount words, you can click 8, 10. It's minimum amount of words. Okay, so let me just type 5. Translate to whatever language you want. Okay, and then after that, that's it. What you want to do is just simply click this import reviews. Then you just have to wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, you will see right here important in progress, so you have to wait and refresh it. By the ways, you can just simply go to your products and go to your store, and you will see the result. But for the meantime, while waiting, then I can show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like when you import your reviews from AliExpress to your Shopify store. Okay, so let me show you. So this is what it looks like. So you have to refresh your Shopify always to see these reviews from Shopify. Okay, so yes, if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.